Welcome. Group 3 presents Sustainable City. The purpose of this talk is to highlight some strategies that communities can use to be more environmentally conscious. So let's get into the talk. First off, we have the fountain in the main area, where citizens could come and sit and relax and enjoy all the scenery Sustainable City has to offer. Now, if we go in the city center, there are some shop stalls where entrepreneurs from the community can sell their arts and crafts made from recycled materials such as glass, plastic, and wood. This is a sustainable form of employment, but it is also a way to reduce plastic waste. It also corresponds with SDG 14, which is all about life below water, because most of our plastic waste ends up in oceans, hurting our marine life. Here we have the kiosk that aids in helping people to reduce, reuse, and recycle, the 3 Rs. At the kiosk, people can type in what kind of plastic they have, and the kiosk will give them ideas on how to reuse it. Like on the kiosk, we have the ability to turn water bottles into jewelry by melting it down to make the plastic moldable. You can also turn a water bottle into a flower pot. Next, we have our recreation area where not only community play in the park, they can also ride the bikes, which is also a form of generating energy. The rotational force of pedaling the bike causes the wheel to spin. This spins a rotor that spins a generator, ultimately producing electricity, which is then stored in a battery. Now, to make the game more interactive, we applied some coding to be able to pick up trash around the city. This will encourage people to clean the city. It can also be used to recognize and reward people after they have collected a certain number of trash. Now, using the plastics the people of the city collected, we can now make furniture. When the plastic is melted down, it is able to be molded and colored to make furniture like this. Now we have the compost house. In this building, members of the community can bring in their kitchen scraps, such as potato and carrot peels, fruit skins, and eggshells, to be composted to put in the community garden and to be sold around the community. This project also provides a form of employment for the residents of the city who oversee the composting and the community garden. Residents can purchase their own organic fruits and vegetables. Here we have the main composting area. Now, inside we have plant gardener Amy. She is a sales associate where you can bring your decaying plants to and she will restore them for you. Inside we also have some extra recycling bins and compost bins. So now on to the education center, where residents are taught about the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, which is what this city is all about. They are taught what they can do to contribute to the achievement of these goals. We focus specifically on ways Compost City can achieve SDG 11, which concentrates on sustainable cities and communities, as you can see in the poster. They are also educated on how to grow what they eat and eat what they grow. It is important to educate people about the SDGs because people may think everyone knows about global warming and rising oceans and agriculture, but they don't. So it is our job to spread the word and teach people about them. Now, upstairs we have a place where students can hang out and also take care of plants, which helps them put their learnings into action. In Sustainable City, we ensure that there's a lot of greenery around the city because trees store carbon dioxide and give off oxygen, which helps the earth heal slowly. Trees also encourage birds, bees, and butterflies, which are necessary for pollination. Next, we have some communal houses that have solar panel energy, which also dives into SDG 11, which is all about affordable and clean energy. The solar panels generate energy from the sun to power the houses. Up next, we have a small community farm where chickens, goats, and sheep are reared. From this, the community can purchase fresh eggs and meat. The community kitchen scraps can also be used as food for the animals. This area will also provide employment and opportunities for the residents to volunteer and learn about the wildlife, which targets human capital. Next up, we have the clinic where residents can come and do their regular health and wellness checkup, which targets STD3, which is about good health and well-being. Residents can come and check their blood pressure and heart rate to make sure that everything is in check. Then we have a small thrift shop where the community can donate and sell their gently used clothes for other household items. These items will be resold at low prices to those in need in the community, which also helps with SDG 1, No Poverty. This initiative will help to reduce the amount of solid waste going into landfills, as well as provide employment. So let's talk to the sale associate. So that's everything in Sustainable City. I hope you enjoyed watching the video.